Hi everyone, my name is Gerardo Deppo. Today I would like to share with you a project regarding a stove, a metal stove that I got from my neighbors. It's a stove that was from a good friend of mine. His name was Willy. Unfortunately, he's not with us anymore. He passed away some years ago. And the other day I stopped to his house. I talked with her wife, and I saw outside in the garden sitting a very old metal stove. This stove we used to fire up together and spend some times and share some beautiful moments. And it has been sitting for so many years and getting rusted that I thought maybe I could use it and make it work again. So I spoke with her wife, and she was very happy to give it to me. So this stove, I have it here today, and I'm going to show it now. And it is a very old stove. I would like to restore it and use it for my cooking channel. Maybe it's a crazy idea. You know, I have different tools here. I have Kamado Joe, I have a Borneo smoker, and I also have this stove. You probably saw it in my videos. And this is just to keep me warm and to make the environment, to create a nice place to stay. So the stove that I'm going to restore is something like this, but I want to transform it and build some kind of an oven to cook with. So if you stay with me and follow me today, even the weather is not so good, it's windy, it's cold, we are in the Netherlands, and it's not the ideal situation, but I still wanted to continue to do this. So I'm going to share with you what I'm going to do, so bear with me. Okay. So this is the old stove that we used to fire up together and have some beers. As you can see, there's still some ashes inside. I think it's still from that time. This is the grill. And what is my idea? My idea is to take this hook away, make it open again, and place it right here in a way that I can build a place in this corner for my cooking. Yeah, it's probably crazy, but I still wanted to give it a try, because here I have my Boniac and this is the Kamado. So this part is going to be used for the old stove from my good friend Willy. It's windy, so I hope you can still hear me. I changed the microphone today, but I'm guessing, I hope it works. Look at this. It's a bird nest, and I have two of them. Yeah, I have to find another place now. tillen, oké? Vragen? En nu? Tillen? Ja. Ja, schuif het hier. Oké. Ja. Juist. Oké. Ja.
¿Sonido?
Ja, we hebben. Cheers. Cheers to Willy, my big friend that I will never forget. I know you are up there watching us. Thank you for Yolanda to thinking about me and to give me this cajo. I'm really very happy because this one is now here. It's working. Next time I will think about to put some kind of a stone so I can cook also over the stone. For now I'm very happy. Besides the day that was very rainy and cloudy and cold and windy, I'm happy to start the fire again for my big friend Willy. Cheers, Willy. and thank you, Yolanda. Just on time is training, very, very hard. Really, really